Okay, so we have a chemistry question that says petroleum undergo cracking to produce smaller molecules. What would be X when this one, which is for petroleum, is cracked as shown below? Now, you need to understand that petroleum is an example of a member of alkyne. Alkynes, these are hydrocarbons. A hydrocarbon is just a substance which contains the carbon and the hydrogen. Okay, now you need to understand something here. They're saying petroleum having this chemical formula was broken down to produce this substance and another one here. When you talk about the cracking, cracking talks about the breaking of hydrocarbons to produce smaller substances. Okay, now cracking in chemistry there are of two types. There's what we call thermal cracking and catalytic cracking. Thermal cracking is whereby a substance is just heated to produce this. Again, we have another cracking where a catalyst is used to break that substance. Okay, now they are saying this substance has been broken down into these two, but the question is saying we need to find the substance X which is here. So what you do first is you do this. You write C and the H. That's the first step here. You have C9. Yes. Now we use a simple mathematics here. We just do this. We say for C, we say 20 minus 4 is going to give me what? 16. So here is 16. We say 42 minus 10 is going to give me what? 32. You have seen 9. Now, why am I doing this? Because it's simple. If I just do this, if I say 10 plus 32, it's going to give me 42, which is here. If I say 4 plus 16, it's going to give me 20, which is here. So meaning that where there is this x, there is this. You have seen that? Where there is just this x, there is this. But that's not the final answer, no. That's just the first step. Now what you do is this. Because of these two, which is in front there, meaning we suppose now to reduce these numbers. How? By half. So we say, so 16, it will be C and then H like this. So 16 divided by 2 is going to give me 8. If I say 32 divided by 2, it's going to give me what? It's going to give me 16 there. You have seen 9. So meaning that this here is the final answer. I know you may be thinking to say, okay, how true is it? It's simple. We just do this. So where there is x, there is this one. So it's supposed to be 2 times 8, it is 16 for carbon. So 16, which is now here, plus 4, it is 20. You have seen that? Yes. Again, we say 2 times 16, it is 32. 32 plus this one is going to give me 42. So the answer is C8, H is 16.